Hello, today we are going to learn about the limits chapter. In this limits chapter, I am going to explain about some important properties. First of all, limits is one of the important chapter because this is an introduction chapter to calculus. In calculus, differentiation is completely depends on limits only. So calculus is the branch of mathematics which mainly deals with change in value of a function. As the points in domain change, as the points in domain of the function changes. So this is the definition of the limit. If example, the notation is like this: limit extends to a. If we put minus here, it means it is left hand limit. If we put extends to a plus, it is just right side of the point A. So whenever a limit exists, if this is LHL left hand limit and this is RHL right hand limit, if LHL means left hand limit is equal to right hand limit, then it is equal to f of x at x equal to a. F of x at x equal to a, then we can denote it as limit extends to a f of x. So this is the notation. So let me write some important properties. So with these properties we can solve all the problems in the chapter, most of the problems. First property, limit extends to a x power n a power n by x minus a is equal to, suppose if the limit is in this form, then we can directly write it as n into a power n minus 1. Second property, limit extends to 0 a power x minus 1 by x. This can be written as log a base e. And third property, limit extends to 0 sin x by x, it is equal to 1. Fourth property, limit extends to 0 tan x by x, it is also equal to 1. Fifth property, limit extends to 0 tan inverse x by x, it is also equal to 1. So you can remember all these three form properties very easily. And sixth property, limit extends to 0 log 1 plus x base e by x is equal to 1. This is also 1. And let me explain you some of the expansion. Log 1 plus x base e. This can be expanded like x minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 minus x power 4 by 4 and so on. And this is also one of the expansion, tan x expansion. This can be written as x plus x cube by 3 plus 2 by 15 x power 5 and so on. So remember all these properties and expansions. You can solve most of the problems in limits. These are all are important properties